I got facts over tracks, and rap getting slow, speaking fast, still rope, stuck in gas, think I'm all and last, but I don't know what that can erase all the past and the pain is.